Hey everyone, my name is Rachel Svetnoff.
And I'm Virgil Parker, and we're Global Goals Ambassadors for the United Nations Associations of the USA.
Our goal is to advocate for the 17 Sustainable Development Goals adopted by the United Nations General Assembly. This year, the United Nations Association of the USA would like to honor National Philanthropy Day.
Each year on November 15th, people around the country celebrate the important role that philanthropy plays in our society. We want to acknowledge how it especially impacts the SDGs.
Leaders across the country understand how philanthropy can be used to help ensure that there is no poverty and equal access to quality education.
Philanthropy can also help enhance partnerships that support all of the Sustainable Development Goals. Let's hear what leaders around the country have to say about it.
Mayor Benjamin, how can philanthropy help to strengthen public-private partnerships from a federal perspective?
From my time as mayor of Columbia, South Carolina, to now my role as senior advisor to President Biden, I've seen firsthand the impact philanthropies are making in our communities. Since day one, President Biden and Vice President Harris have been hard at work implementing a bold vision for our country, one that requires support and close partnership with the philanthropic community and the private sector. Our administration has worked closely with philanthropy to ensure every community in this country has the ability to reach its full potential. We thank the philanthropic community for your investments in the organizations and systems that help bring about meaningful change. This includes organizations like the United Nations Association of the USA, which helps lead efforts to support the UN here in America. You are invaluable partners in moving America forward, so I know I speak for all of us when I say thank you.
Mayor Evans, how can mayors build better policy agendas that can collaborate with foundations and philanthropists in their community?
While mayors and other local government leaders around the country do their best to make a difference in their communities, they still need help. National Philanthropy Day is a chance to acknowledge the helpful role that philanthropists and foundations play in our society, and to learn how to embrace their resources. Whether it's improving education, eliminating poverty, or addressing climate issues in your community, local leaders must have consistent and intentional conversations with the philanthropic community. We can make a stronger impact when we work together.
President Wellens, why is it important for donors to support community foundations in promoting social equity and expanding economic mobility opportunities?
Community foundations across the country play an important role in connecting the social fabric of neighborhoods, connecting people to people, and doers with donors. Our work to promote equity, increase economic mobility, and invest in people and communities is not only important, it's essential. We keep our finger on the pulse of community need and guide philanthropists to engage with catalytic capital on purpose.
Dr. Mitchell, why is it important for philanthropy to have an active role in the world of medicine, research, and patient care?
Philanthropy is a cornerstone of progress in healthcare, clinical research, and equitable patient care. It's not just a generous act, but a necessity in every society, a lifeline that drives medical advancement and ensures access to quality care for all. Unfortunately, this vital support has become a privilege for some rather than a universal right. At Howard University Hospital, we honor and celebrate the philanthropists who understand the critical role their contributions play in transforming healthcare. Their commitment to investing in medical innovation and health equity brings hope and healing to countless individuals, particularly in underserved communities.
Gabriel, how did receiving support from the UNA USA Delegate Fund help make the work that you do possible?
Because of the Delegate Fund, I was able to receive support to go to the Global Engagement Summit in New York City and speak at the United Nations headquarters on climate and democracy. Without the support of the UNA USA, my journey wouldn't have been possible.
There is so much that we can do as a society to give back and promote growth.
We have to remember that philanthropy is much more than giving money. It's about giving your time, knowledge, and commitment to make a difference.
But no matter what you do, Just remember that there is strength in numbers, and we can go farther if we work together.
Let's celebrate the power of philanthropy.
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 Let's celebrate the power of philanthropy.